Have you wondered why lime water have been used for centuries as a natural remedy for so many health issues? It's not just a refreshing drink. Lime water is packed with powerful nutrients and healing properties that can help your body in ways you might never have imagined. From improving your digestion and detoxifying your system to boosting your immune system, enhancing skin health, and even supporting weight loss. Limes are rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, flavonoid, and essential oil, which contributes to their healing power. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that helps protect your cell from damage caused by free radicals. The flavonoid in lime have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which means lime water can help fight infection and reduce inflammation throughout your body. The natural citric acid in lime juice help balance your body's pH level, making your internal environment less hospitable to harmful bacteria and more supportive of healthy digestion. The citric acid in lime stimulates your stomach to produce digestive enzymes which help break down food efficiently. This means less bloating, less indigestion, and smoother bowel movement. Drinking a glass of warm lime water first thing in the morning can kickstart your digestive system, flushing out toxins and dump-starting your metabolism. It also encourages bile production in the liver, which is essential for digestive fat. For those who suffer from acid reflux or heartburn, lime water can be a double-edged sword. If you are sensitive, start with small amounts and avoid drinking it on an empty stomach. Lime water is a natural detoxifier. It helps your body flush out toxins and waste products, supporting kidney function and preventing formation of kidney stone. The citric acid in lime helps increase urine volume and prevent kidney from crystallizing, which is the common causes of kidney stone. Regular consumption of lime water can keep your kidney healthy and reduce your risk of painful stone formation. Lime water is a fantastic immune booster. Vitamin C is essential for production and function of white blood cells, which are your body's frontline defense against infection. Lime also contains antibacterial and antiviral compounds that can help prevent common illness like cold, flu, and even skin infection. The antioxidants in lime help reduce inflammation, which is the key root of many chronic diseases. Vitamin C plays a big role in collagen production, which keep your skin firm, elastic, and youthful. Drinking lime water daily can reduce acne, brighten your complexion, and even help fight dark spots. If you are trying to lose weight, lime water can be a great ally. It helps boost your metabolism and promote fat burning. The citric acid in lime enhances your body's ability to burn fat, while the water itself helps you feel full and reduce calories. Lime water is a low-calorie, flavorful alternative to sugary drink, helping you cut down on empty calories. Another wonderful, amazing use of lime water is it can be used as a natural aftershave treatment and deodorant. After shaving, your skin can feel irritated, inflamed, and prone to infection. Rubbing a little lime water on your armpit or shave area can help soothe the skin, reduce inflammation, and prevent bacterial growth that causes odor. The natural antibacterial properties of lime help keep your skin fresh and clean, while the astringent qualities tighten pores and reduce sweat. Do not apply it on a broken skin or cut, as it can stink. Lime also supports heart health by improving blood circulation and reducing inflammation. The potassium in lime helps regulate blood pressure, while antioxidants protect your arteries from damage caused by oxidative stress. Some studies suggest that lime can help regulate blood sugar level, making it beneficial for people with diabetes and insulin resistance. Drinking lime water regularly may help stabilize blood sugar and reduce the risk of complication. Here is how to make lime water to maximize its healing power. Use fresh organic lime if possible to avoid pesticides and get the best flavor. Squeeze half a lime into a glass of water or room temperature water. Drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for best result. You can add a teaspoon of raw honey or a pinch of sea salt for extra flavor and health benefit. Avoid adding sugar or artificial sweeteners, which can negate the benefit. Start slow. If you have a sensitive stomach, dilute the lime more and gradually increase the amount as your body adjusts. If you have acid reflux, ulcer, or sensitive stomach, too much lime juice can irritate your digestive tract. If you are on medication like diuretic or blood pressure drugs, consult your doctors before increasing your lime intake. Excessive consumption can erode tooth enamel, so rinse your mouth with plain water after drinking lime water. Indeed, learning never ends and nature heals. In case you don't know me, I am Chinenye Harriet, and if you like natural remedies, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.